Are you tired of dull and lifeless lampshades that just don't add any flair to your living space? Well, look no further. The Avalon Collection, a set of 2 hardback Empire lampshades by Royal Designs Inc., is an affordable way to transform your decor. These lampshades are perfect for adding a touch of style and sophistication to any room. The hardback design and rich color make them look just like royalty. They are also extremely durable and can withstand even the harshest lighting conditions. From timeless neutrals to eye-catching vibrant colors, you are bound to find the perfect match for your existing decor. Right now, we are including 2 8-inch lamp harps on 5 of our most popular colors: white, eggshell, beige, red, and turquoise. Measuring 8 inches in diameter at the top, 13 inches at the bottom, and 9 inches in height, these lampshades are the perfect size. Not too big and not too small. They are just the right fit for most standard table or floor lamps in your home. They are available at such a great price too. So why settle for dull and uninspiring lampshades when you can elevate your space with affordable, high-quality lampshades that come in a set of 2? Upgrade your interior with the perfect set of lampshades for a more stylish and inviting home.